Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, you will need a few essential tools: a Torx T5 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Before starting, ensure that your Surface Pro 4 is turned off and unplugged. 1. Remove the screws. Start by using the Torx T5 screwdriver to remove the screws located around the device. There should be a total of 8 screws. Make sure to keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. 2. Pry open the device. Once the screws are removed, take your plastic spudger and gently insert it between the screen and the back cover. Carefully work your way around the edges, prying the cover open. Be cautious not to damage any internal components during this step. 3. Disconnect the battery. After opening the device, locate the battery connector. This is typically a small cable attached to the motherboard. Use your spudger to gently lift the connector away from the motherboard. If you're unsure, refer to the device's internal layout diagram. 4. Remove the old battery. The battery is usually secured with adhesive. Carefully lift it out using the spudger, applying a bit of heat from a hairdryer if necessary to loosen the adhesive. Make sure to handle the battery with care, as it can be fragile. 5. Clean the internal area. Before installing the new battery, take some isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free cloth to clean the internal area. This will help prevent dust and debris from affecting the performance of your new battery. 6. Install the new battery. Place the new battery into the designated slot, ensuring it fits snugly. Reconnect the battery cable to the motherboard, pressing down firmly to ensure a secure connection. 7. Reassemble the device. Now it's time to put your Surface Pro 4 back together. Align the back cover and press down until it clicks into place. Replace the screws you removed earlier, securing the back cover. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable performing this replacement, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our services include pickup and delivery at your home, making it convenient for you. There's no need for calls or travel. We handle everything for you. 8. Final check. Before turning on your device, double check that all screws are tightened and that the battery is properly connected. Turn on your Surface Pro 4 and ensure it powers up correctly. 9. Testing the battery. Once your device is on, check the battery health through the settings to confirm that it is functioning properly. It may take a few cycles for the new battery to reach its optimal performance. Lastly, if you ever need a quote before repair, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're here to help you keep your Surface Pro 4 running smoothly. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.